In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create Glovo account. So you can see right here, I just opened Glovo and it was asking me to accept all the privacy policy and everything right there. You can also see explore local stores, help us display your local delivery option by granting location permission. So share location, and if you block, then that means they won't have access to your location. So I'm gonna click on share location right here. Then you can see why using this app. You can also track your order, allow notification to get real-time update on your order, so you can allow the notification. Then you can see allow Glovo to send you notification, allow. Then the next thing you're gonna see is order from any store or restaurant in your city. Then you can also see the pick up your order and bring it to you in minutes. You can also see every delivery is carbon natural. You can click on continue, then you will see the inside. So you can see it's gonna ask you to provide your country, so just type in your own country. There are a lot of country right inside the platform. Then you provide your phone number right there, or you can also sign in through your Google account, and there is other method as well, which is Facebook. So it all depends on how you want to sign into your Glovo account. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to provide my phone number. You can see right here. Then I'm gonna click on continue. So they'll send a code directly to my phone number. So I'm gonna input the code once I receive it. Alright, so we notice some irregularity with your account. Please contact customer support to solve this issue. I guess I already created an account with this number. I can't really remember because we have make more videos about Glovo before. So I'm gonna input another phone number to see what pops up. So I'm gonna click on continue. Then let's see if this works. Yes, it works. So that means I already used that phone number for an account before. So I'm gonna input the code they sent to me. So you can see right there, protect your account. So you have to connect a Gmail account in order to protect your account. So I'm gonna connect my own Gmail account to my Glovo account. Alright, I just select my Gmail, so it's loading already. So they said other options, other method. You can also connect a Facebook account with it. I think that is what it's gonna show on the other option. So once you select, the page will be loading like this. So you have to wait for a while to connect. So you can see it's check marked. That means it's working. So let's wait for the Glovo to load and let's see what is inside the platform. I guess it's finding something around me. So let's see what it's going to show. I really don't know how it looks like. You can see, please enter a delivery address. Where will I enter a delivery address? So uh okay, so it's showing different locations. So it's using Google to track my address. So I'm gonna wait for that to load. So you can see add a new address. You can also find another address. So it all depends on which address you wanna connect to. Um, Alright, so I think this location is okay, but it's showing an X on that location. I don't know why. Then you can also click on add new address if that's what you want to do. So let me try to go back and see what's going on right here. Then on this page, you can see delete my account and data, my order, my information, and nothing else. So let me try to connect one address and see what's really going on right there. So let me try to click on add new address, then city, let's say Bangkok. Okay, I think let me use this address. So trouble locating your address, try using search instead. So let me use this. I don't know why it's not saving. I really don't know why. So let me look for another address. So I don't know why it's not saving, but then I was guessing maybe uh no rider available in such area. So there are a lot of other addresses right there. So let me click on Ibadan and let's see if that works. Alright, what kind of place in Ibadan? So house, apartment, office, let's say house, then floor number. So they're trying to get my home address in order to be able to uh, locate me in case I place any order later. So right here you can see it's showing this address for me. So you can see if this address is correct. Okay, you can edit or add details for a smooth delivery. So right here you can see package delivery, food. There aren't any store open right now, so no store is available right now that I can use. So you can also see uh Glovo Prime, cancel anytime, how it works. So these are other things you might be very much interested in on Glovo. So you can check them out and let me know if you have any question.